So you've just started bulking, you've set out your goal calorie count that you want to hit by the end of the day, but you've barely scratched the surface of it and are already feeling like a stuffed turkey and you aren't looking any more muscular. I experienced this at the beginning of my first bulk as a hard gainer. How did I and how can you surpass this roadblock and start seeing noticeable results from your bulk? First of all, it's important to make sure how you are consuming these calories is correct and efficient, so that you aren't doing all this work and time on the toilet for nothing.
Disgusting!
Firstly, make sure that your calorie goal is correct. You can find out your personal calorie target on a calculator like this from bodybuilding.com. For a guy like me, who's 6'3" and around 90 plus kilograms, I need to consume around 3,500 to 4,000 calories each day to gain good size and put on weight. How many do you need? Let me know in the comments. Secondly, make sure you're consuming the right type of calories, your macros, i.e. protein consumption, fat consumption and carb consumption. I'm going to leave in the description a calculator where you can calculate your personal macros to fit your goals and your body. Now, how could you get your bulk more effective and what could be holding you back? First thing to think about is how much cardio are you doing? If you are consuming loads of calories and have a fast metabolism and you are doing a lot of cardio, especially high intensity cardio, you may be burning a lot of the calories that you're working hard to consume, and you are unintentionally reducing the chance of you gaining muscle and putting on size. Therefore, if you are active and you're eating loads of calories but aren't seeing any results, then decreasing cardio and doing more muscle work is going to help you put more size on if you're consuming loads of calories. I'm not saying remove cardio completely, as it's great for us in many ways and loads of us enjoy playing sports, but it's just something to think about. A great bulking cheat code is liquid calories. Protein shakes, mass gainer shakes, putting all sorts of proteins into a blender and making your own smoothie. They are great ways of consuming loads of calories in your day that don't fill you up as incredibly as consuming the same calories as food would do. If you are, say, on 2,000 calories towards the end of your day and just need to get to that 3,000, whacking down a 1,000 calorie mass gainer shake could be all you need to round off your calories for the day instead of wolfing down a whole other chicken dinner. Thirdly, when you first start bulking, trying to consume 1,000 extra calories to what you did yesterday could be really tough. Try progressively eating more and more each day or week and break it up into more manageable increases. Increase it by 200 or 300 extra calories a day instead of thousands, and eventually you'll get used to the calories you need to consume instead of force feeding yourself in the first day and bringing it all up later. Another adjustment you could make to consume more calories is to increase your meal frequency. If you are needing to eat 1,000 to 1,500 more calories a day above of what you are used to, you are going to really struggle to fit in all those calories into the 2 or 3 meals that you have in a day. Breaking your meals up to 4 or 5 a day will be much more manageable and allow you to fit it in more effectively. Also, as well as these points, some of us may have to come to terms that we have to eat less clean at times. One thing that I found with my experience with bulking is that doing it the clean way just wasn't working for me and wasn't getting me as much progress as I'd have liked. Because I have a very high metabolism, I found that my best results and muscle gains were coming when I ate loads of high calorific foods and consuming huge 4,000 plus calorie daily counts. Of course, this will not work for everyone. In fact, for many, it will be gaining you loads of unnecessary fat. If you have tried bulking for a while and are really struggling to gain any weight, it's something to try, maybe for a short period of time at first. When going through a bulk and in general your gym journey, make sure you keep in mind that for some people, progress and results will come much quicker than it will for some others. Compare and battle against yourself from 1 month ago instead of the guy that's been at the gym for 2-3 years, maybe even a decade. One of the most important things to gain progress quickly and see improvements rapidly in the gym is progressive overload. To see more about how you can implement it effectively, watch this video right here.